Hi, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you winter fashion outfits, as layering of clothes is one of the most important things in winter and also makes you look trendy. So in the first outfit, I'm wearing a basic black H&M top, and on the top I'm wearing this beautiful ASOS crop top and black Palazzo Pants with golden block heels, and winters can never go wrong with black leather jackets. In the second outfit, I'm wearing this Tweed Pain-fore dress that I got from LUL&SKY with black leggings and nude block heels. And the third outfit is my favorite, as nowadays I'm obsessed with yellow color, and this sunshine yellow jumper along with the black skirt and jeggings and with combination of black boots give a classic look. And I hope you like the video, so please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.